Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Forever. So today, I came back with the opportunity where we can have a buying opportunity in coming week, which is the 10th to 14th Jan 2022. So let's see what I do, and like I'm going to share the same strategy to you guys. So and this is for a educational purpose, so you make sure you know the risk and reward before entering any position. So in this one, right, like what I'm going to cover, so I go through major sector trend and then give you insight about the possible trade in that particular sector. So this would be like when to watch in upcoming week from tomorrow Monday. So before entering position, right, like you need to make sure these 2 points. Whenever you get opportunity, make sure the stock is in demand zone, and I generally prefer RSI and stochastic RSI to gauge the future strength. So make sure the stock is matching these two conditions. And there is a homework for you in the next slide. Before the homework, this disclaimer. So I'm sharing my strategy, what I do. Okay, I'm not sharing something else. I'm just sharing what I do in my positional trade. So, and as I have said earlier, so make sure you know the risk and reward before taking any position. So the homework, right? Like you watch this entire video and find the stock in particular sector and leave that stock name in my comment. So I shall reply with the entry range, stop loss, and target. Maybe I try to reply as soon as possible. I get the comment. I try my best. So, firstly, Nifty 50, right? So, if you see the trend, I consider the cumulative trend. So, in the next all the slides, I'm covering each sector, and the pattern would be same for all the slides, next upcoming slides. So, I may maybe faster in upcoming slides, but let me explain in detail here. So, I consider the cumulative trend for the Nifty 50. I don't see a good trend here. So it's like like it came down and it is going up, so there is no proper trend. So in this case we just avoid this. Don't look for any stock in this Nifty 50 index. So I think the similar pattern for Nifty Bank, so you just ignore. So for Nifty Energy, so here also it's like same pattern, so just ignore the trend, ignore the opportunity. So for Nifty IT, if you see, right, like from Jan 4th, the downtrend started. So this is not a good time to make a fresh entry. Don't look for any opportunity to buy in upcoming weeks. So Nifty Auto, the trend is negative. Just don't look for any stocks from this sector. So yes, Nifty Reality is in a positive trend, right? Like if you see from, I think from pretty Jan 30th and Jan 31st, so the reality, the real estate sector is in little positive, and on 5th and 6th it came down little bit, but it is in a positive direction. You may look for a stock from this sector, where again you need to make sure demand zone, stochastic RSI, and then take a position. So PSU Bank, yes, this is also in a positive trend. You need to do the same homework, find a good stock from this particular sector, and then take a position. So pharma, yes, negative trend. If you see from 31st, the pharma sector totally in a negative trend. So this time it is, if you look also, it's very difficult to find a good stock. So metal is in a positive trend. Actually, it's a sideway, but if you look from like 30th December, it is in uptrend. You still further can get into this metal sector and find a good stock. So media is, like, it's negative trend. Negative started from like Jan 6 itself. So you can just wait for few days. If it turns positive, then you may look for a good stock from this sector. So infrastructure, it's a sideway, and from long trend, like from 30th December, 31st December, it's an uptrend. But recent, it is in sideway. But still, you can get into this sector and find a good stock. If you find good demand, good stock from which is in good demand zone, and if you get a good SL and target ratio, like 1:1 or 1:2, then you can make a entry. So FMCG is also kind of same sideways. You can take the same decision. If you get a good stock, then you can make a fresh entry. So again, I'm just reminding you the homework. So you can go back, you can rewind my video and pause to look the information from the chart and find the stock and leave that stock name in the comment. And then, as I said, I'll reply back with my numbers. Again, make sure you know the risk and reward before taking any position. Thank you, and like and share the video and subscribe if you feel it's really worth. Thank you.